Ninja Slushi overheating? Here's the fix. If your Ninja Slushi gets hot to the touch, smells warm, or shuts down mid-use, it's likely overheating, and that can shorten the machine's life if ignored. Here's what to check. Step 1. Let the machine cool before restarting. Unplug the unit and give it at least 10 minutes to cool down. Running multiple cycles back to back without rest can trigger internal heat limits. Step 2. Avoid thick or frozen solid mixes. Heavy fruit blends or pre-frozen liquids make the motor work harder. Always chill your mix, not freeze it, and stir before use to avoid clogs. Step 3. Place the machine in a ventilated spot. If your slushy is near a wall, appliance, or hot stovetop, heat builds up fast. Move it to an open counter with airflow on all sides during use. Step 4. Don't force the handle or lid. If something's jammed and you apply too much pressure, the motor can overcompensate and overheat. Always fix the cause first, not the symptom. If overheating continues or the smell comes back, internal components may be damaged. Reach out to Ninja Support using the link in the description. If this helped cool things down, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for practical appliance fixes. And if you want to prevent future overheating, we've linked a food-safe brush set in the description. Great for keeping paddle movement clean and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and swirl cool!